May profits be upon you. We are going to take a look at the Euro USD. We're just going to get right into it. Why not, right? Let's take a look at the RT money meter, and we can see the rankings, the ranking update from last week and the week prior. We can see that USD is at 3.95, and last week and this week it's at ranked at number one still at 3.79. It's been moving kind of sideways. All right, but it is still the strongest of all the currencies, right? And the euro last week was ranked at number seven at minus 421. This week it's ranked at number three at minus 307. A small improvement, but if you looked at my video of the FX futures weekly outlook, we took a look at the futures chart to see the individual euro currency and see just how strong it or weak it was. And we can see that, yeah, it's one of the top three, but it is uh, weaker than the rank shows. Okay, it's just that these other ones are very, very weak. And the only one I would put this up against would be the US dollar. Let's talk about it. All right. What we can see on the daily chart is very obviously we've been bearish for a year. All right. The euro has been bearish since 2021 July, and it's just been dropping. All right. And that's it. All right. Now, you can see that right around there, 2017, we broke that low. That's a 2017 low, man. All right, and we're trading under that. We came back, retested that major breakout level, and continued bearishly. All right, that's not something you just overlook. All right. Also, with these swing points, swing low, swing high, swing low, lower low, swing high, and then we broke that swing low here. Right. The thing is, price is moving sideways, right? We made this high here, all right, after making this low, we made this high. That's as high as it got. We did not get back into premium price. We're still in discount. There's still potential for price to go up. Still, it could pull back from here, but the bearish engulfer that it made Thursday, all right, and this bullish candle, which was all blue at one time, heading up, and then the sellers came back in and pushed it back down. This was quite the rejection, and that's the way it ended on Friday. I believe this downward momentum will carry over into the upcoming week. Let's take a look at the 4 hours, shall we? And what we can see here, all right, in this bearish leg of structure, this is where all that was going on. Yeah, this high could be attacked, all right, for liquidity. It's weak, but this is what we were talking about here, that bearish engulfer, and then the next candle that came up, the next daily candle came up and then rejected. This is that wick rejection that we saw on the daily. All right, this is our the trading range for this leg of this impulsive bearish leg. Right, price did not come back into the premium price. It did cross the 50% level briefly. So it did actually, technically, it did make its way into premium, but this was, you had to make a choice whether you thought this was it. This is all price would want to do. All right, as far as the pullback, you have to you have to keep these things in mind, that there's still potential for price to pull back deeper into premium, and you have to look for signs that price is done with it. This was one of those signs here when it broke this low. All right, this is an internal low. All right, an internal break of structure. Price came back, returned to impulse, failed to make a higher high here, right? And we see that it continued bearishly. So my gut instinct says that price will take this low and continue bearishly with the higher time frame trend. All right, is there a chance that price will find support here, right? And on the maybe when price gets here, we can see bullish price action. I would look for it as soon as price gets there. I'm going down to the 15-minute. I'll look for confirmations. If I see that price is confirming that it has an intention to go higher and maybe to mitigate higher. If it does, because there's a supply here. If it does go higher, we'll see. We'll see the confirmation on the 15th, and I'll look out for it. But again, I'm thinking price wants to take out this liquidity down here and continue lower. And I would also add that my target, I had a target down here for price to go lower too, and I don't see it. What happened to my target? Did I erase it by mistake? I must have deleted it. It's at right around 98.60. I don't see how I don't see what happened to it. All right, yeah. So I'm looking for price to come right around to 98.60. And that would be right around here. I don't know how I lost it, but apparently I did. All right, this would be the target here. And if I can just get it here. There you go. All right. So that'll be the target. Anyways, you know what? I think I know. I didn't erase it. I think I just made it unseeable. I think that's exactly what happened then. Anyway, I'm going to leave you with that. So I'm looking for more bearishness. We'll see how price opens on Sunday. Sunday Sunday evening open, right? Be aware that there's an ECB decision coming on Thursday, right? Interest rates. This is the highest impact news of the week. I'm telling you right now. And depending on even if they have baked in numbers for a 75 basis point hike, they're already expecting it. All right, most speculators and investors and whatnot. But I suspect it may even come in lower, maybe at 50 basis points. All right. In either case, that's going to be it's going to be a weakness for the euro against the US dollar, and we can see some more downside action at least to this target. All right. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Do smash the like button and make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you let other people know. I would like to hear your feedback about this Fed hike. I mean, not the Fed hike, ECB hike, and what basis points you think you may see. All right. I'll see you in the next video.